Just give it a couple of mix. It looks so yummy. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple vegetarian dish, stir-fry tofu with mushroom. So I have 4 different types of mushroom, ready cut. 1 cup of shiitake mushroom, 3/4 cup of king oyster mushroom, 1 cup of button mushroom, and about 1.5 cup of white chimaje mushroom. And for the tofu, today I'm using flavored tofu. This is deep fried tofu with 5 spice seasoning. So I have 2 packets here, and I have some oil for deep fry, 1 red chili, and for seasoning I have 1 tablespoon of vegetarian mushroom sauce. This is how it looks like. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 stalk of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. Since I have all the ingredients ready, I would like to start off with cut and prepare the tofu. This tofu is slightly big pieces, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Just like a bite size. Alright, tofu is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Put it in high heat. I'm going to pour in all the oil. When the oil is hot, we're going to deep fry the tofu first. Deep fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to give it a turn. And continue to deep fry for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the tofu is nice and cooked. So I'm going to remove it from the oil. I'll switch off the heat first. I'm going to take it out from the oil. Put it on the strainer like this for the tofu to drain out the oil and put it aside. In the same pan, I'm going to remove the excess oil. For the mushroom, when I cut it ready, but I like to wash it right before cooking because I don't like it to absorb too much water while waiting to be cooked. So I'm going to wash it now before cooking. To wash all of them together. Alright, mushroom is washed. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The oil actually is quite hot because we use it to fry the tofu just now. So I'm going to put in the mushroom. Pour in all the seasoning, light soy sauce, sesame oil, all the pepper, mushroom sauce. Chili, a little bit of crispy fried garlic. So I'm just going to keep half for garnishing, half of the spring onion as well. Now we're going to give it a stir. Oh, it looks so yummy. I'm going to cover the lid and let it simmer in the pot for about 5 minutes until all the mushroom is cooked. From time to time, need to come back and check and give it a stir. If it's too dry, you can add in a little bit of water. But by right, mushroom, they have a lot of water. It should not be too dry. So we come back after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mushroom should be cooked by now. Oh, look at that. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, very delicious, very flavorful. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this stir-fried mushroom, it's really delicious. And it has a little bit of gravy. So I'm going to switch off the heat and put in the deep fried tofu. Just give it a couple of mix. It looks so yummy. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. We still have some crispy fried garlic. And some spring onions. Lovely vegetarian stir-fried tofu with mushroom. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. Let's eat. Wow, very delicious. Smells so appetizing. The tofu is chewy and slightly tangy. The mushroom is very tasty and sweet. There is a slight hint of peppers and sesame oil in the gravy. A bit of crispy fried garlic brings caramelized sweetness. It is very tasty and full of flavor. When paired with plain white rice, it blends so perfectly. Really delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye-bye.